Before getting started, I want to tell you about the importance of the base, of what you're gonna learn now in the next modules, okay? When you started learning about realistic render, we talked a lot about the references, right? We talked about the compositions of photography. We talked about lighting. We also talked about colors. And this part is very important. So later, to be applied in real life, the same way we're gonna start now. I'm gonna explain to you that in 3D Studio Max, I'm gonna start by teaching you animations of objects. And we're gonna work with primitive objects. What does that mean? A box, sphere, line, and why? Because you need to understand how to animate these objects, how to bring life to these objects, how the timeline works, how the keyframes work, how you make an object follow a line, for example. And as I get you these mini exercises, it's important because they are easy to do and immediately practical. Later, during the classes, I'm gonna tell you how the applications that these movements, although they seem simple, are the exactly ones we use for complex scenes. So we're gonna have a huge part now of learning the basic animation commands, so later, be able to apply that into the scene. So as I told you before, don't underestimate the power of understanding references, lighting, colors, and photograph composition. Don't underestimate the next classes about movements inside 3D Max with primitive objects. Alright, let's go.